Here's problem number 9 from the mock test. It says, which of the following equations corresponds to the graph below? Again, corresponds just means goes with, just like in problem number 5. So I'm basically just going to graph. I'm looking for the equation of this graph. So you could do that by graphing all 4 of these lines. But who wants to do all that work? Let's just see if we can't figure out the equation here. And you know we always use slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And basically, all we have to do is figure out what m and b are, right? All those equations below have y and x, right? Y equals x, y equals x, y equals x. It's just those numbers beside and behind x. They have to figure out what they are. So let's just do that. M is my slope, b is my y-intercept. Let's find the y-intercept. That's really easy. Check it out. Right here, if you count up, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can see that, again, doesn't eliminate any wrong answers. All of them have a y-intercept of 6, which means I'm going to have to find the slope. And in order to do that, I need another point. And I see that this right here is a point. And I'm going to go ahead and count up 1 and over 2. When I do that, I get 1 and 2. And I know it's a rise over run, so I know it's going to be 1 over 2. And I just need to check really quickly. Is it a negative slope or is it a positive slope? Please go back, YouTube Slope Dude, if you don't remember this. It's definitely going to help you out. If I'm thinking of Slope Dude, he's skiing, he's got his skis, he's going up the mountain, he's got his little hat on. He is going upwards in the positive direction. So that means this is a positive 1/2. So I don't write plus 1/2, I just leave it because positive numbers are just numbers without negative signs. And so this is the equation right here. Y equals 1/2 x plus 6, simply because 1/2 is the slope, 6 is the y-intercept, and I can see that the only answer that has that is B, and that is the correct answer for problem number 9. By the way, if you are still confused about finding the slope, here's a word of advice. Let's say you counted up to and over 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're like, no, I got the slope 2/4, and I don't see it down here. You got to remember, if you can, you always need to reduce your slope. And 2/4, if I divide the numerator and the denominator by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is actually just 1/2, which is exactly the same as before. Just a tip for you.